Hello, my name is Alexandra. I am from Peru. I am currently studying International Business Administration at university. In my free time, I enjoy cooking, watch movies, listen to music, spending time with my family and friends, and I like to explore new places. And I'm very excited to my CIEE Just Say Work and Travel program because I think it's a good opportunity to improve my English, become more independent, and gain international work experience. And there are three things I would like to my future host employer to know about me. First, I am responsible and hardworking. Two, I am friendly and I work well with others. Third, I am ready to learn new things and I always do my best. And thank you for watching my video. I looking forward to being part of your team and have a great experience in the United States.